Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed concept of symmetric, skew symmetric, transpose of a matrix and the special types of matrices also discussed. In that concept I am going to discuss some problems. Okay, first read the question what they are given. A is 3 by 4 matrix right here. A matrix order 3 by 4. By observing this, tell me what is A transpose matrix order? 4 by 3 or not? 4 by 3. Okay, students, are you understood? If you are done transpose, interchanging the rows into columns, columns into rows, 3 by 4 is going to change 4 by 3. And Fayaz Muhammad and B is matrix. B is a matrix, one of the matrix, such that A transpose into B and B into A transpose are both defined. That means matrix multiplication is exist. Then order of B is, for suppose, let B matrix order is M by N. M by N. This is assumption. First, what they are given students here? A transpose into B. So when the multiplication is exist already you know very well. A transpose B matrix order 4 by 3 into B matrix order M by N. If these two are equal, matrix multiplication is exist or not? Already given. A transpose B and BA transpose are both defined. So in this case, we are getting answer M value is 3. Next, B into A transpose. B into A transpose. B means what is the matrix order? M by N. A transpose matrix order 4 by 3. When the matrix multiplication is exist, when these two are equal, when these two are equal. See, by observing this case, what is N value? 4. Now, what is the B matrix order? So we are taken M by N. Now, substitute that M value is 3, N value is 4. So order of the matrix B is 3 by 4. Which option correct? Fourth option. First option correct. 28th question. Left hand side matrix given, that is R plus 4, 6, 3, R plus 3. That is equal to right hand side, see that transpose of the matrix given. Transpose means what? Interchange rows into column. Okay, 5 R plus. First row I am written first column. Second row, second column. Now these two matrices are equal. Equate corresponding elements. R plus 4 is equal to 5. R plus 4 is equal to 5. How much? Then what is R value? R value should be 1. This is the answer. Which option correct? First option. If you are getting doubt, take another element. 6 is equal to R plus 5. 6 is equal to R plus 5. 5 side left hand side. Then what is R value? 1. Don't compare remaining. You'll get same answer. Okay? Right. So I'm going to another question. This is 3A plus 4B transpose matrix given and 2B minus 3A transpose matrix given. Here we need to find B. We want to B means we need to eliminate A matrix. But here in that question, here A transpose is there. Here A is there. A we need to convert in terms of transpose. Okay, then we get answer. Right. See this model very, very important. What they are given here, 3A plus 4B transpose, that is equal to 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. This is a matrix. Apply transpose on both sides. 3A plus 4B transpose, whole transpose, that is equal to matrix 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. 31. Whole transpose. Applying both the sides transpose. Now see this 3 into A transpose plus 4 into B transpose whole transpose. B transpose whole transpose how much? That is B only. Okay. Here matrix, observe that. Write the transpose interchanging the rows into columns. 0, 6, 31. This is. Okay. Now observe the second equation. Second equation. What they are given? They are given like this. See, I am writing in particular order. Minus 3A transpose plus 2B, that is equal to how much given? Minus 1, 4, 5, 18, minus 6, minus 7. This is second equation. Already we know the first equation. This equation right here, 3A transpose, this is plus 4B, that is equal to, what is the matrix? 7 minus 10, 17, 0, 6, 31. Now these two solve. That means add. What we get? Minus 3A transpose plus 3A transpose is going to cancel. Remaining what we are getting? 6B is equal to. Now the corresponding elements also add. Minus 1 plus 7. How much, students? 6. Next, 18 plus 0. That is also 18. 18. 4 minus 10, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. 5 plus 17, 22. Minus 7 plus 31, 24. 24. Now take the common 6. 6B is equal to 6 common each and every element. Here 1, 3, minus 1, 0. And here we are getting 22. 5 plus 17, 22 only, no? 22. Students, here this is minus 5. I am written mistake. Minus 5 plus 17 means 12. Now here we get 2. Here we get 4. Now 6, 6 cancel. Finally, what is the B matrix? 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. This is the B matrix order. Observe that 1 3 minus 1 0 2 4. Which option correct? Third option. See the next question. 5a is equal to 3 minus 4 4x. Then A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. This is orthogonal matrix. That condition is orthogonal matrix condition or not? Now take any one of the condition, we get answer is it. First, 5A matrix given. So I am writing A matrix, 5 send right hand side, we get 1 by 5 into 3 minus 4, 4x. Okay. Now find A transpose. A transpose means transpose the elements in matrix, not outside. 1 by 5 is constant. Don't do the transpose there. Now transpose of the matrix 3 minus 4, 4x. Students, are you understood? Where we want to apply the transpose? In matrix only, not constant. Okay. But here condition is there. Take any one of the condition. I am taking this A into A power T. That means A into A transpose is equal to I. By using this condition, I am going to find the solution. That means X value. A means 1 by 5 into 3 minus 4, 4x. What is A transpose? 1 by 5 into 3, 4 minus 4x. That is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now multiply these two matrices. 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. 1 by 25. General multiplication. Now multiply these two matrices. First row, first column. How much, students? 3 3s are 9, minus 4 into minus 4, plus 16. Next, second row. 3 4s are 12, minus 4x. Now I am going to second row, first column. 4 3s are 12, minus 4x. Second row, second column. 4 4s are 16, plus x into x square is equal to 1 0 0 1. Now equate the corresponding elements. Equate the corresponding elements. So where we want to equate, tell me. So equate these two. And don't forget 1 by 25. Okay. So 1 by 25 into 12 minus 4x is equal to how much? 0. 1 by 25 send right hand side. Then 12 minus 4x is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 4x. Then what is x, students? X is equal to 3. This is the answer. Verify the options. First option correct. Next question, what is the condition? A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric means what is the condition? Tell me first. In symmetric matrix, what is the condition? A transpose is equal to A. This is the condition. Now write the transpose of the matrix 2. X minus 3, x minus 2. Next, 3 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 1. This is transpose of a matrix that is equal to A 2 x minus 3 x minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 minus 5. These two matrices are equal. Equate corresponding elements. X minus 3 is equal to 3. Or you can take x minus 2, 4. Anyone, no problem. So x minus 3 is equal to 3. Then what is x? X is equal to 6. So which option correct? Third option. This model given in September 2020 mains. See here, P plus Q matrix given. And here, P is symmetric, Q is Q symmetric. P is symmetric matrix means, then what is the condition? P transpose is equal to P. Q is Q symmetric. Then what is the condition? Q transpose is equal to minus Q. Yes or no? Now, what they are given? P plus Q matrix already given. How much? 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This is. Apply transpose on both the sides. P plus Q whole transpose, that is equal to 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1 whole transpose. Do the transpose here. Here we get P transpose plus Q transpose, that is equal to 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1 to 1. So interchanged rows into columns. Students, observe here, what is P transpose? P, Q transpose, minus Q. Substitute here, P. This is minus Q. That is equal to 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. This is first equation. This is second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So I am writing here P plus Q. P plus Q. What is P plus Q? 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This is 1. Solve these two. How to solve? We need to find Q. So we want to eliminate P. That's why subtract. If you're subtracting here minus, here also minus. These two cancel or not? Minus Q, minus 2Q. That is equal to. Now the corresponding elements can be subtracted. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 5, minus 3. Sorry, minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Next. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Next. Third row. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And minus 2 send right hand side. 0 divided by minus 2, 0. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 divided by minus 2, 2. This is 1 by 2, 0, 0. Here minus 2, 0, 0. This is the answer, Q. Q. Which option correct, students? I think second option correct. But in second option here 1 is there. But we got 2. No, first option correct, not second option. First option correct.